Hi, and welcome to What to Do When Medicare Nursing Home Coverage is Terminated. This is part of a 2021 Medicare informational video series sponsored by the Milwaukee SHIP Collaborative. I am Matthew Hayes, Senior Law Project Director at Legal Action of Wisconsin. We are a member of the Milwaukee SHIP Collaborative led by Milwaukee County. The collaborative brings together federal, state, and local agencies to provide you with timely, accurate, and unbiased information about Medicare programs to assist you with Medicare costs, Medicare appeals, and Medicare fraud prevention. Senior Law provides free legal services and benefits counseling to individuals who reside in Milwaukee County and are age 60 or over. Today, I'm going to speak to you about what you can do if Medicare decides to end your coverage while you are in a nursing home. When someone has an illness or an injury that causes them to go to the hospital, it's not uncommon for that person to be sent to a nursing home to get rehab before returning home. Medicare will often cover a stay in a nursing home, but generally only when the facility thinks that you will get better and go home. When you're in a nursing home, the facility may decide that you have stopped improving and no longer need what they call skilled care. You may be told that you have plateaued or are maintenance only, or that you require only custodial care. Once this happens, your stay at the nursing home will no longer be paid for by Medicare. Medicare, like most health insurance providers, does not cover what is called long-term care, services that help people with a variety of daily activities of daily living, but there's an assumption that those services are likely to continue for the foreseeable future. If the nursing home believes that Medicare will no longer cover your stay in the facility, they must give you a written notice at least 2 days prior to the last day of covered care. Once your Medicare coverage ends, and if you stay in the nursing home, you will be responsible for very high medical costs. So that 2-day period will allow you to appeal the facility's decision, as well as decide the best course of action before you become responsible for the nursing home bill. The notice you receive will generally be called a notice of non-coverage. This notice will explain the date that the coverage of care ends, the date you will become financially responsible for a continued stay at the nursing home, and a description of your right to an expedited or fast appeal. In order to appeal the decision of the facility, you have to call a phone number that's provided on the notice. It's very important to review the notice and make the call as soon as possible in order to get a review of the facility's decision before the 2-day notice period ends. You may also be given a choice about filing Medicare claims with regard to the end of your coverage in the nursing home. This choice may be provided to you on the notice of non-coverage or on a separate form. It's important to decide how you will respond to this notice if you plan to stay in the nursing home, because the wrong choice could affect your ability to get Medicare payment if they decide that you are still receiving skilled care. You will see something that will offer you 3 different options. The first option will be that if you plan to stay in the facility, that you want the facility to file a claim with Medicare. This is the option that you want to choose. Option 2 indicates you plan to stay in the facility, but you do not want the facility to file a claim with Medicare. You do not want to choose that option. And option 3 is simply an indication that you plan to leave the facility. So option 1, if you're planning to stay in the facility, is the best option for indicating that you want the facility to file a claim. And that's very important in order to have the option to get paid down the road. Ultimately, if you need to continue receiving nursing care after your Medicare coverage ends, you'll want to look into your options for long-term care. Because Medicare and other health insurance does not cover long-term care, You may have to pay out of your own pocket or get some type of Medicaid, which is also known as Title 19 or medical assistance in Wisconsin, to cover you and help with your long-term care costs. Determining your options for long-term care involves a close review of your financial situation and can be a complex process. Luckily, Senior Law can help. Not only can you contact Senior Law for help with your Medicare nursing home appeals, but Senior Law can also help you understand your options for paying for long-term care services. For contacting Senior Law, you can call us at 414-278-1222 in order to get help with your Medicare issues. Also, keep in mind that there are Medicare savings programs which can help you pay your Medicare premiums, deductibles, and copayments. These programs can help you keep more money in your pocket and balance your expenses. To learn if you're eligible, call the Aging Resource Center at 414-289-6874. Please remember to contact Senior Law with any questions or problems related to the non-coverage issues for Medicare in the nursing home. Thank you.